I'm here today to give you an update on a bit of LRC, a bit of Loopring coming through. Obviously, we did see the opening price around 10 cents, 14 cents. They're currently trading around $3.20. They're pretty insane gains recently, as I'm sure you guys are aware. Now, this is where it gets quite interesting because the last time we did actually run up was December 2020. Before that, it was pretty stagnant in the consolidatory zone. From there, nice uptrend, consolidation along that zone, and then humongous dumps in May. Obviously, we know all about that. Horrible stuff coming through there. And then after the pump up in August, quite interesting stuff. We just did trend down from September. It really was just kind of a trend down. No recovery in October. And comparing that to a lot of the other altcoins, we actually saw October being not the worst month in the world for cryptocurrency in general. But now, what in the hell has happened here for Loopring here on the daily? As you can see, we're literally just running up. If you were to jump in when we saw this high low actually get formed on this most recent downtrend that we saw at 37 cents, you would currently be up. This is going to be cold hard gains, right? You're currently up 753% there. Really quite parabolic, guys. We know what we say about parabolic charts like this. This is not the place to be buying it. You're probably going to get wrecked, guys, if you buy it here, because this is a Mount Everest scenario. Mount Everest scenario, if we can't find base camp 1 in terms of a consolidation zone before taking another leg up to base camp 2, we're probably going to be doing Grand Canyon base jumps, guys, and that's obviously meaning the price will fall drastically, very, very fast. Talking Doge, talking SHIB, that sort of price action coming through there. So just be aware that this is not the place to be buying Loopring right now. For me, I'm seeing gains like this. I'm like, this is quite insane, right? I don't hold any of this. Disclaimer: don't hold any of this. I see people making insane gains. Really great, really good. But what I want to say is, please, 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 I wouldn't be FOMOing now. We're probably going to see the trend actually fall off here. Maybe a bit more FOMO. The more FOMO that we do have, the bigger the crash will be. Maybe we come down. There's going to be accumulation phases coming through there. It definitely will, guys. We're above a volume weighted ATR band. We literally always come back down and test this volume weighted ATR band. Always on the daily. It's inevitable. It will happen, right? It will happen. So there's definitely going to be accumulation phases to be looking out for the future. But yeah, if you are looking for Loopring now, not the time to be looking. You've missed the train, guys. The train to Hogwarts is gone. You've missed it. You need to get in your invisible car and you need to fly through the sky because you need to wait a long time to buy this again, right? You need to wait a long time to buy this again. So yeah, in terms of jumping in now, not the wisest decision in the world. Let me jump to the 4-hour chart coming through there. Because this is it's quite interesting actually, because it is an indication that we are going to go higher, just because you can see, what do we have here? We do have literally an ascending triangle, guys. We've got an ascending triangle coming through on the 4-hour, and that basically does mean continuation to the upside usually. But after a 750% pump or something crazy like that, it's not something that I'm going to be jumping in on, right? I would expect bigger reversals now, and there is going to be better things to be buying right now in terms of risk-reward scenarios there. But yeah, in terms of a pump to the upside from this measure move, you could still be looking at around a 20% gain there, near enough 18.35% gain there. So not really too bad. But as I was saying, that after pumping significantly like recently, I really would expect bigger pullbacks in this, right? And in order to signify that, it is going to be breaking higher lows. You need to be looking at these higher low points to be invalidating. As soon as you start invalidating higher lows there, you know you're going to be in some sort of reversal scenarios. That could be basically a selling opportunity for you guys there who are, in a sense, hodling right now, because you don't want these gains. You don't want to give back these gains, right? You're making money. You're making cold, hard cash right now, and you know why we're here. We're here to make money. If you're giving back the gains you've already made, it's a lose-lose scenario there. So you're better off selling when you do see these sort of scenarios happening there, and then basically buying back when you see the bounces, right? We see the reversal of the trend there. So yeah, that's going to be a sort of update today on Loopring. I just want to stress, guys, remember to be taking profit, and remember this isn't just going to keep going up, right? It's insanely parabolic, really, really overextended here. We are going to see a sell-off, guys. We really, really are going to see a sell-off. So just keep that in your back pocket, and just make sure you're taking profit, because you don't want to be giving that back. That's going to be a daily update today on Loopring.